While you were watching domestic CBDC debates, something far more consequential successfully concluded. In a major milestone, Project mBridge, a cross-border CBDC platform, facilitated real, cross-border transactions in real time. In tests run over weeks, payments between participating nations were settled in seconds, not days, with near negligible costs and significantly reduced operational risk. This isn't theoretical anymore. The blueprint for massive international commerce is working. This is the secret rollout no one is talking about. Forget the public distraction of domestic digital dollar proposals. That's the public smokescreen. Today, we expose the exact mechanism being built now at the institutional level, an efficient, cross-border CBDC network, pioneered by Project mBridge, that bypasses the traditional dollar-based system and gives central banks unprecedented control over global finance. This is the foundational system for the real CBDC rollout, and it changes everything about financial sovereignty. Think of the current global banking system, SWIFT, as an antiquated, multi-stage relay of correspondent banks. A single payment might pass through 4-5 intermediate banks before reaching its destination, with each stop adding substantial delays, fees, risk, and inherent US dollar reliance. mBridge replaces this convoluted multi-hop process with direct, peer-to-peer digital ledger transactions. Each transaction is validated instantly on a shared ledger overseen by participating central banks. This means almost instant settlement, 24/7, for massive wholesale payments with negligible cost. This gives central banks unprecedented visibility and control at the institutional level. It is a systemic shift in financial plumbing. What is accelerating this timeline right now? The answer isn't just efficiency, it's geopolitics. Increasing global fragmentation and resilience against potential dollar-based systemic controls are primary drivers. Nations worldwide want alternatives, a payment system that isn't vulnerable. And this shift doesn't just impact global trade. Once this institutional plumbing is normalized, how simple is it to implement a retail CBDC for average citizens, pitched as a necessary efficiency upgrade? It's the ultimate hidden gear, giving central planners unprecedented granular visibility and control over domestic finance that's simply not possible today. Institutions are already preparing alternative financial systems. Are you preparing yours? The writing is on the wall. The normalization of cross-border institutional CBDCs is reducing dollar dominance and creating an integrated global digital financial infrastructure. This calculated, systematic shift is reducing the dollar's role in international trade factually, reducing the conspiracy angle as Project mBridge proves its viability. And while this wholesale layer benefits institutional efficiency and geopolitics first, it provides the essential piping and legitimacy for the inevitable next step. Retail CBDCs for average citizens, pitched as a necessary upgrade. The true secret isn't that they are building CBDCs, it's how close they are to a fully operational, interconnected global system that renders our traditional concepts of financial privacy and dollar-backed security obsolete. Are you ready for the new reality? The gears are turning, and they aren't going to stop. The true secret is that the system you trust today is being methodically replaced.